Cellular technology has revolutionized the way people communicate and interact with each other. The changes brought about by smartphones have impacted more and more of our daily lives, from how we consume information, shop, and get around. This impact is even being felt in the embedded devices world. Embedded developers find themselves faced with the challenge of integrating cellular into their designs. With the increasingly global nature of markets, developers now have to integrate cellular connectivity into designs intended for a global customer base. I'm Jason Chen, and in this video, I'll introduce the AE-CLOUD2 kit and how it can help developers create cellular-enabled IoT devices. I'll also talk about the kit components, how to assemble the kit, and the cloud connectivity options. The AE-CLOUD2 kit is a complete hardware and software reference design that allows embedded developers to quickly evaluate cellular connectivity options and build low-power, wide-area cellular Internet of Things devices for applications including asset tracking, retail and agricultural monitoring, smart cities and utilities, mobile healthcare, and industrial automation. The kit is focused around the S5D9 MCU baseboard, which features the Renesas Synergy S5D9 microcontroller. This board provides easy access to the peripherals of the S5D9 microcontroller, allowing the end user to quickly get started. The S5D9 board includes sensors such as lighting, microphone, temperature, humidity, pressure, air quality, geomagnetic, accelerometer, and gyroscope. For connectivity, the kit includes a Kectel BG96 cellular Arduino shield, a Wi-Fi module, and Ethernet via a port on the S5D9 baseboard. The kit also includes an antenna for cellular, an antenna for GPS, 2 micro USB cables, and an Ethernet cable. To use the cellular modem, you first need to plug the cellular shield into the S5D9 baseboard, then connect the cellular and GPS antennas. For cellular access, simply insert a SIM card purchased from a local cellular carrier into the SIM slot on the cellular shield. The SIM card will need a data plan that supports a 4G LTE Cat-M, NB-IoT, or 2G EGPRS cellular connection. For Wi-Fi, simply plug the Wi-Fi PMOD board into the corresponding port on the S5D9 baseboard. The AE-CLOUD2 kit allows you to connect to cloud service providers such as Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, or the Medium One Cloud. For a quick demo to connect to Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, the AE-CLOUD2 kit can run the Synergy Enterprise Cloud Toolbox demo. Using the demo, the kit can connect it to the cloud in 10 minutes or less. The demo allows users to easily switch between cloud providers and to visualize their sensor data on a password-protected web dashboard. The web dashboard, relevant files, and documentation for the Cloud Toolbox demo can be accessed from the link shown on the screen. If you want to start a production design that connects to the IoT cloud services from Amazon, Microsoft, or Google, you can use the respective cloud application projects. The application projects serve as a great starting point to build an IoT application using MQTT and TLS. The application projects for each of the cloud providers can be downloaded from the link shown on the screen. If you want to get started quickly with a cellular IoT design, you can use the AE-CLOUD2 kit with the Medium One IoT prototyping sandbox. The Medium One Cloud can help developers who may not have the resources to build their own IoT cloud deployment. For Medium One, when you're ready to move to a production-grade solution, your design can be seamlessly migrated from the Medium One IoT prototyping sandbox to the Medium One production environment. To get started with the Medium One environment, you can access the online tutorial, which provides an easy step-by-step walkthrough for how to get started with AE-CLOUD2 and Medium One at the link shown on the screen. In addition to connectivity and connecting to cloud providers, the AE-CLOUD2 kit has passed global RF emissions tests and complies with global regulatory certifications for FCC, CE, RoHs, WEEE, and Japan MIC. These certifications allow the kit to be used for cellular IoT applications anywhere in the world. AE-CLOUD2 is available now from Renesas distributors worldwide. To begin using the AE-CLOUD2 kit to start your IoT application, for access to the cloud service example projects, or for more information, please visit the link shown on the screen. Thank you for watching.